Hello, Sam. This is the video to explain the case 2 and case 3, 4, 5, and the percentage of the demand side management. As you explained before, that the same function in all the program, the same thing file, but the difference is in the demand side object function. As you see here, the same parameters, also the same initial parameters, the same dispatch, the same battery storage model, the same balancing model, the same things, but the new thing is to added some demand side loads here. This is the new thing that added to the demand side management load is also defined by the optimization function and the load function, as you see here. Here, this is the value of the demand side in the kilowatt, dependent on the program of demand side management. This is the only thing. The value that change in the load is this is 5% from the load, as you see here. The positive mean that we increase the load, and this will decrease. The negative is mean that decrease the load. As you see here, this is for the 5%, as you see here, and this is the unit commitment dispatch 6 is the status. It will be optimized by the function, and the status of the demand side on in this hour or off in that hour. Then the same thing for all the demand side management, as you see here, and this is the factor that will included in the balancing demand side management load, dependent on that load. And the 5%, as you see here, if you go to the 10%, as you see here, it's the double of the 5%, and the same thing. So the only change in the demand side management and in the load of the demand side management in kilowatt. So this is the only thing is changing about the base case. If you, this is the explain of the cases. And thank you for your listening, and we hope to hear from you if you have any question